Go.
Hi guys, Stephen Alford from Alford Fortune. Today we're going to take a tennis ball and take some of the knots on our back. You know, sometimes you can get a lot of backache, and the tennis ball is a magic for that. Now, especially in the area where it's really sore, concentrate on that area and leave the ball there for a little while. Let me show you how it's done. Go to your back of the solid wall, then put a hole on your wall, and just roll your back on it. Now you've got to concentrate on the area where it's really sore. Now that's a bit sore on mine, so I'm going to rest on that for a little while, but don't forget to breathe at the same time. If you want it to drop, just lean forward and let the ball to go down a bit further, and just keep moving it. You can see, you can really, oh, I found one. I found a little spot on my right shoulder there, so I'm going to concentrate on that for a little while. And that's how you can take the knots out. Just because they're sore, you don't avoid it. Where it's sore, that's where the big problem is. You rest the tennis ball on it, hold it there for a few while until you can't take the pain, then relax. Then you move to the next section. Move forward and the ball will drop to the next level. And then you do so also your lower back. And this is really good. It's a very simple process. Using it, and you're looking for the tight spot. The tight spot is the area where you feel pain, or in the area that needs to be rolled with a tennis ball. Now, if you want to go back at the top, put the ball up and do it again. Oh, look at that. I'm already fixed. So I couldn't even do that earlier on. That's a sharp pain up on my top shoulder. Now that I found it, here it is. Concentrate on that. Oh, roll on that. Take the pain. And simple. Tennis ball's not only for playing tennis, but you can take the knots out of your back. Stephen Alford from Alford Fortune. Creating fortunes for the future. See you in my next video. Bye for now.